we go. We need a lighter. We'll light the fire. A lighter. Kids got a lighter. Don't know how to stop. Lighter! Fire! Yeah, we light the fire. Light the fire. Oh, well done, madam. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your patience. Hang on, let me just get something perfectly straight. Sorry, that was a dicky joke. I want to thank you for your patience and sticking with me and supporting Street Art. We light the fire, yeah? My testicles are killing me, honey. Here we go. What's going to happen? These 3 people throw the fire to me, not at me. Hopefully I catch it and juggle. Well done. And I want you to hold the fire high, sir. Up high. Fire burns up. Good, now the police can see. We'll have some fun, yeah? So your name? Shiwan. Where are you from? From Iraq? Yeah. Shit. I'm not really from Australia. New Zealand. I'll consider it friendly fire. Thought you'd understand, Rod. Friendly fire. You throw fire to me. Here. Not here. Here. No. Here. Everybody over here. If you get burnt, I rack through it. Here we go. Take 2 more steps for me. Oh yes, salam alaikum. 2 more, 2 steps. Throw. Wait. My hand. You can do it, Phil. You can do it. Imagine I'm American. Come on. There we go. What's your name, sir? Huh? Ralph. Where are you from? You live in Germany? Oh, hi. They're sick, okay? I'm from Australia, Ralph. Yes. Just remember, Germany, Australia, the war is over. In Australia, we have a boomerang. It's a stick, you throw, it comes back. If you hurt me, Ralph, something will come back. Here we go. If Ralph does it, you know what to do. Shake my hand. From Germany too, huh? I'm from Amsterdam. What's up, hi? Ja, heel mooie meisje. En walking, wandelen. Ja, je kunt praten Hollands, klein beetje. Hi, like a ballerina. It's a lovely view, thank you. 1 more step. Thank you. Haven't changed that much, have they? Ladies and gentlemen, my real name's Damien, they call me Deadly. I come from Australia. This is how I make my living. Everywhere I perform in the world, at the end of the show, most people give 5, 10 or 20 euro. I can't remember exactly. If I've made you laugh, and let's face it, I have, then please put some euro in my hat. If you don't like that idea, then please drink and drive. I don't want to go back to my old job, selling drugs to your children. Euro, hat. Everybody happy. 2 or 3 euro, I can buy a coffee. If you can't spend 5 or 10 cents, neither can I. At least a couple of euros. Check it out. This stunt's worth at least 5 euro itself. Ladies, a man once. Come on, people, give me some energy. Faster. Louder. Wait, please! I don't want your applause! Do you want more? Say yeah! Yeah! Come back tomorrow! Yes! Please, nobody move! Ladies and gentlemen, I gave you a gift. All I ask is you return the favour, give me a gift. 2-3 euro, I go home happy. 5-10 euro, I go home really, really happy. 50 euro, 100 euro, I go home with you. This is where the good people come forward and fill up the hat.
Ich hab 50.
You listen carefully.